Hey, what's going on, guys? Danny here with you. Hope everybody is doing well today. In this video, we're going to do some quick price analysis for Shiba Inu. And as always, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. All right, so in yesterday's video, we were somewhere around here. Of course, we had broken down bearish out of our descending triangle. And we were somewhere around here. And we talked about we will probably come up here and do a retest. And as you see, we did retest. We did get rejected off of our trend line. And we may have actually had a double top pattern right here. You can see one top and two top. That is a bearish sign, so we did come back down. Right now, we do have, looks like within the next hour, we'll probably see which direction we'll head. We do have a trend line right here, and this is a trend line right here that we do want to break so we can head up to the upside. And right now, it looks like we currently, we are either getting a bounce or we probably will be breaking down here shortly. We'll have to see how this does play out. But again, long term, or excuse me, short term, these are our patterns that we could be looking for. If we do continue to break bearish out of here, then we will be looking towards the 0.27 level that is down here at the 47.35 area, as we talked about yesterday. If we do break bearish out of here and continue down, and the next level after that will be the 0.618. That will be around the 40.38 area. And we also do have our major support line right here, which we could hit if we do come back out all the way down to the 0.618 as well. That area of support is around the 39.30 area. We'll have to see how this does play out. And a little bit longer term picture we can look at. Ferris was actually mentioning this in the comments yesterday. So if I actually happen to miss a pattern, or if you see a possible pattern forming, please let me know in the comments as well, and we'll kind of take a look at it. All right, so he was talking about we could actually have a flag pattern forming right here. As you see, we are bouncing around in this channel right here. It is a little more narrow than a normal flag, but of course that can always change as well. But it does look like this could actually be a possible flag pattern as well. So just for fun, let's see if we did break bullish out of this flag. If we come up here and break bullish out of it, let's see where we could be heading. All right, so we're going to actually grab a target. We're going to come from the top of this flag pattern. So we'll come from right about up here and come down to the very bottom where we began this run. So right here, that would be our flag pole. All right, and we'll drag this up here to a possible breakout area. So maybe somewhere around here. All right, and let's see. So that would put us anywhere in this area around the 2000 area or 2100 area, all the way up to the 12,500 area. So anywhere in this area up there we could be looking for. So let's go over here and check out our RSIs and see how we are looking. All right, on the 15-minute chart. All right, 15-minute chart, our RSI is sitting right around the 40 area. Our stochastic has come all the way back down. So we are actually, you can see this wedge pattern right here, or the pennant pattern that we have playing out. It's kind of hard to tell, but we should be getting a bounce right here. So that is a bullish sign. So we'll have to see how that does play out. And then on the hourly chart, our RSI is currently sitting around the 35. As you see, the stochastic has come all the way up. We are close to overbought territory right here. So we are probably going to head back down to get a retest right here. We'll have to see how that does play out. Well, that is one bearish sign that I do see right there. On the 4-hourly chart, looks like our RSI is sitting around the 36 area. We did have this bounce here when we came back down and hit this trend line that we did create. So we could maybe create some type of trend line where we come back down and bounce and head back up. We'll see how that does play out. And right now our stochastic is starting to come back up. That's from our bounce that we had yesterday evening. And over the next 4 hours, hopefully we will head to the upside. But we'll see how that plays out. On the daily chart, our RSI is sitting around the 57. Our stochastic has come down all the way here. So that's good to see. We are in the oversold territory. So in the next couple of days, we should be heading to the upside. Of course, we still are in a slight correction right now. But again, over here on a 15-minute chart, see if we've got anything new going on. All right, so looks like we actually did just now break bearish out of this pennant pattern right here, or this wedge that we were creating. All right, so more than likely, of course, we are breaking bearish out of here. We do have this little bit of a trend line right here that we have. We could possibly get a bounce right here and head up. And then if not, then we will be heading back down to these two lower areas right here. We could even come back down in here and hit this trend line that we created right here. That would be another bounce right off that. We'll have to see how that plays out. And again, if we do head a little bit lower, then we will be looking at the 0.27 area, which again is the 47.35, and then the 0.618 area down here. That is the 40.38 area. And then of course our next level support would be the 39.28 area. But we'll see how this does play out throughout the day. I will actually eventually add my Twitter on here, and then I will try to make daily updates throughout the day. I don't have time throughout the day to make any videos, but I will try to make some tweets on here and try to give us an update. But as always, I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch this video. And I will hope you guys have a good day. And please make sure you do like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. All right, thanks. Take care.